Hey guys, this is me, Skyla. Today I'm going to be doing some more paint. Today I'm going to be drawing Cute Baldi, but if it's too quick, I might draw another Cute Baldi character, like playtime. So, let's go! Okay, first we need a black big head. He has like a big long head. No, don't know how to do Baldi's head. I never really draw him before. Oh no. Yeah. That's gonna be his head. Big fat head. Now let's do his orange peachy skin. Yes. Oh yes. Maybe his skin is like too dark. Okay, it's a bit lighter. I like that. Okay, now that we did that, we can go on with his hair. I think it's like brown. Some people say it's brown or black, or like I say it's dark red. I'm just gonna make it dark brown for now. There's a new way that I make brown. Go on orange and go on the dark version instead of doing red because it looks a bit too red. Okay, that's good. Now let's make the size big. No, wait, yeah, definitely. Yes, I know. Wait. There, so it's more like a baby because he's cute. Let's do his big eyes and they're black. We're gonna make them the cute eyes. Oh wait, I need a circle and make it black. Black, big eyes, too big. Okay. I'm gonna color big eye. And now we had to do like the white dots in it. This, nope, too big. This, nope, too squashed. I don't know how to make a circle. Okay, I guess that's fine. He already looks cute. Okay, make a smaller one, a bit smaller. There. There, oh yeah. Now, let's select. Good, I think. Another eye. Now let's go on this and do black. Oh no. No. Now you're more cute. There. Now your nose. Maybe I'm just gonna make it dot nose. Me, you don't even look like Baldi. You look like a baby. You look like a baby, 'cause you're a baby. And you have this mouth 'cause you're a baby. And it's kind of not good 'cause you're a baby. I always say baby like that in my videos. Oh no! No! Wait, yeah. Yeah. Good. Wait. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Select. Baldi! There. Finally. Wait. Good. Okay. Well, no. I can't draw this now. Wait. There. I guess that's good. Because I can't do that anymore. Because it takes so long. Here's your tongue. This. Good. Now we just need this. Okay, now let's do his body. Black. Because he has black clothes. Wait, that's a bit too big. He's only little, you know. There. Most people might like Baldi and Ghostly, but I like Principal.
When will you
Oh no,
learn?
that's too dark. There. Yeah, good. Yes. There. No, wait. There. Baldi, you're so tiny. Like a tiny elephant Ben and Polly. Oh, Ben and Polly. There. Doesn't matter about the line on it, I don't care. There. Good. Now let's do your other hand, and you're holding your ruler. This has to be small. Now this has to be small, and now this. There. Okay. This is how I make people hold stuff. And wait, and my sister Poops, sometimes on the flipper clip, when I draw, like someone holding something, she's like, how do you draw that? Like, she's like, that's so good how you make people hold stuff. How? Because I am much older than her. I'm 8, she is 6. Yeah, so that's true. Wooden ruler. Okay. Oh, we need a circle. No. Concentrate. Burp. Burp and burp and that. Guess it looks good. Okay. Best we can do. Roller. It's done. Kind of looks like French bread. There. Wait, my next Undertale video might be that I'm drawing Betty. Haven't done her yet, and I like Betty. Jeez, good. Jeez. This is gonna be hard. Oh wait, it's not. There. Okay, black, blue. Kind of looks purple, so I'm just gonna edit. There, make it darker. Now I just need to do his shoes. And you have circle shoes in the game. Your feet are circles, I don't know why. Circle and circle. Wait, no, that's a bit too bright. Circle and circle. Okay, now we just have to color in the background. Then we're done. Might do another one, this being too quick. Nope, 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 nope. Too dark. Gonna make it brighter. Now. I'm gonna make it bigger after. And when you write names, you should always do a capital. And when you do the start of writing, you should do a capital too. My sister Poops always does a capital I. Wait, what's happening? 72. Okay. Big. Cute. Baldi. There. Okay. There. Cute Baldi. Now let's just do a heart. Red. Oh no. There. Okay, here's cute Baldi. But we don't have time for a whole nother character because the video is being too long right now. But for now, I'm just going to draw something next to him. Can you guess what it is? Brown. Can you guess? You already guessed, I think. Okay, you already guessed, I think. Oh no. The mouth. Have you guessed? It is another ruler, and he's angry because Baldi doesn't care about him. Only this ruler that's not live. So, yeah. I guess I'm gonna end the video here then, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up down below. Yeah, so I hope this being a really, really, really fun video for you guys. Yeah, so I really like drawing the cute Baldi characters, and I actually made them up. And I drew them in real life too, but they look more different. So, bye. Baldi, what happened to you? You were orangey brown. But how did I die? Even though I can't die in real life.